Hello there everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Chef Christy and it is time to cook. I am super excited to share with you another slow cooker recipe today. I love a slow cooker. They're my favorite because you can just dump your ingredients in that slow cooker in the morning, turn it on, and you can walk away. You can do whatever you need to do during the day and you can let that slow cooker do its thing. And then that evening you have a delicious meal. And today I have made beef and noodles. Who does not love noodles? This is so good. This is rich in flavor. It is comforting. It is hearty. It is beef and noodles. So let me show you just how to make this delicious beef and noodles in your slow cooker. Yeah, it's good. So the beef that I'm using today is a chuck roast, and this is a 2.5 pound chuck roast. And then I have here a half of a cup of chopped onion, 3 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 cups of beef broth, 1 teaspoon each of dried thyme and dried oregano, and then some salt and pepper. So I'm going to season my roast with some salt and pepper on each side. So to a large cast iron skillet, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil. And then I'm going to place my roast and I'm going to sear this on each side a few minutes until it's nice and browned. This just really locks in those juices, gives it nice, good flavor. So I'm going to add the seasoning, the onion, and the garlic. Then I'm going to add the beef broth. And the Worcestershire sauce. And then I'm going to cover this and let this cook on high for 4 to 6 hours or until it's fork tender. All right, so this roast has been cooking for about 6 hours. I have went ahead and removed the bone. There was a large bone here. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove some of the fat. All right, so then I'm just going to take 2 forks and I'm just going to shred this beef. All right, so next I have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of water, and this is cold water. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to thicken the liquid that's in the beef. It's going to make more of a gravy. So I'm going to pour the cornstarch in and I'm going to just mix that around. And then I have here some egg noodles. Now this is a 1 pound bag. I'm not going to use this whole bag. I'm going to use about half of this bag, but if you want more noodles, then by all means you can use the whole bag. It's completely up to you, but I'm just going to add half of this bag, so it's right around a half of a pound of the noodles. And I'm just going to stir them in. And I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit of water to this. I just feel like it looks a little dry and I want to make sure that there's enough water and liquid in here for the noodles to absorb and plump up. And then I'm going to cover this slow cooker back up, and I'm going to let this cook for maybe 10 minutes until those noodles soften. And if you wanted to, you could add some sliced mushrooms to this, or maybe some frozen peas. That would just give it a little bit more heartiness to the dish. Just a suggestion. This is so good. Beef and noodles. I mean, you cannot go wrong. And this is super simple to make. Just dump and go. My favorite. This is like down home country cooking at its best, I think. It's delicious. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. God bless, and as always, I will see you soon with more recipes.